Okay, I got water below the propeller. There's the engine. I'm gonna go give it a crank. So I haven't primed anything, haven't touched the gas line, the primer. It's in neutral, the choke's out. I'm gonna give it a turn. Okay, I'm pushing the choke in on the key, and as I'm turning it, you can see it struggled a little bit there on the starter. It's struggling a little bit, turning it. I'll give it one more time. Okay, I'm gonna let it rest. Okay, I gave it 3 pumps on the primer. Now I'm going to try it again. Nothing. Struggling. Okay.